Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I've created this very natural but glam look using the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette. This eye look would be perfect if you're going out on a date or going on a night out, whatever the special occasion is. It's also really nice because it's not too much in your face and it's also not too complex to do either. And this would look great on so many different eye colours. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified of all my future videos. And share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to see how I created this natural but glam look, just keep watching. Taking the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette, grabbing the shade Naked 2 on a Essence eye blender brush, I'm just going to be adding and blending this colour in the crease and also on the outer corner of my eye. I'm now going to be grabbing the shade Fate on a slightly smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to be adding this colour on the outer corner of my eye and halfway across my eye, just to add a little bit of a smoky depth to the eye. I'm now going to go back in with my Essence brush and just blend that darker colour out. Now I could just go in with one of the three colours from the Naked Basics, but I wanted something a little bit more shimmery. So I'm just going to grab this MUA eyeshadow trio in Innocence. Now sadly you can't buy this palette anymore, but you're welcome to use any shimmer colour you like. You can just grab a colour from the Naked Basics palette if you wish, but I fancy something a little bit more shimmery. So I'm just going to grab a concealer brush, just spritzing that brush with a little bit of setting spray, grabbing that colour, and I'm just applying that to the lid. Applying it to the lid and halfway across my eye. Taking those two colours again on them same two brushes, I'm just going to be adding those two and blending them so they blend in with the shimmery colour on the lid. I'm just going to be adding a little bit of liner now to the lid and waterline. So I'm just grabbing my Soap & Glory Crazy Sexy Kohl pencil. This is in the shade Smolder, so it's just a black pencil. You can use brown if you prefer, if you don't want it to be too bold. So I'm just adding this kohl pencil on the lid, and in the waterline I'm also tight lining with it as well, just to add a little bit of a black smokiness to the eye. Now I'm going to be taking Naked 2 on a very small concealer brush, just grabbing that colour and I'm applying that under my lower lash line. So just adding it underneath, just to add a little bit more the smokiness underneath. I'm then going to grab the same brush I used for Faint, and I'm going to bring this under the lower lash line as well, but I'm only going to bring it halfway under my eye just to bring that smokiness underneath my eye. I'm going to be blending the shade Fate with the same brush I used to apply Naked 2, which is the Essence Eye Blender brush. I'm just not using any excess product, and I'm just going underneath and bringing the brush round. So it's like a C shape. So I'm going underneath the eye and right where the crease is. So I'm now just going to apply some mascara. So I've got the Soap & Glory Thick and Fast High Definition Mascara, and this is obviously in the shade Black. You can wear any mascara you like, so I'm just going to be applying this on the top lashes and also on the bottom lashes. And to finish this eye look off, I'm just going to apply an inner corner and a brow bone highlighter. So I'm just going to grab the shade Venus from the palette, grabbing that same brush I used under my eyes to apply that Naked 2, just going to apply that in the inner corner and then apply it on the brow bone. And then I also did forget to film, but I did use my finger just to blend out the brow bone highlighter. And that is it, guys. That is the end of this tutorial. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I love these colors. They just complement each other so nicely. It's not a difficult look to do at all, and it's just perfect for whatever special occasion you've got going on. So if you guys have really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.